Kachompi.
Kashnong.
Kasnong Chompi. Kasnong Chompi, where is your village? You teach me something that I can have a conversation with people when I go around. You know, I do vlogging and so on. Hey, by the way, just came to my mind. Our first vlog or video was that I was learning Khasi.
Yeah. Khasi song.
Khasi song. Teima pi ching pos new hanga pi wan pao chaki por palale chicos pinao. What was the end? Because I forgot the end.
Even I don't remember.
But something like that. I still it's tattooed my mind.
Yeah. So I suppose if you go to any shop, you eat or you buy, then you can just ask that question. Kat no long.
Kat no long. Mo.
Yes. Then if you meet somebody, then they say like, because here we don't have hello. Directly,
Yeah, hello. It's shano. It is not hello.
Like,
It's shano.
Shano pile, like that. Shano.
Shano.
Where?
Where do you go? Where do you go?
Shano pile. People always shano pile to
Yeah,
us. They don't say hello.
Yeah. And also, what I have noticed that many times you don't even ask kung no pilong, like how are you doing, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's shano.
Shano.
It's shano
The first
also.
word when they see you, they will just ask shano.
Yes.
They don't say how are you.
Yeah. Or not even. And also, this is one.
Yeah.
You see somebody from the street coming, ahead of you, front of you, and then you just, and then, shate. Right.
Yes.
Shate out. Is it shate?
Oo.
That side. People always ask me, where are you from?
Nang no pide. Oh,
Nang.
pide nang no.
P-day?
Nang no.
Is it like nang or nang?
Nang. Yes.
Nang.
Actually, it's nang no pide. It's like in that video. Day na marday.
Oh,
Yes.
day marday.
Yeah.
Greetings for that guy. We had very nice conversation.
But he speaks English.
Yeah, he speaks English, of course.
Speaks English.
Yes.
Can understand
Yeah.
what he.
Yes, but definitely we had a very nice conversation.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. Where are you from? And then I can say
Ngadena, Finland.
nade.
Nade.
I can say nade.
Not nade, na.
Nga.
Yes.
Ngade. Na again.
Na.
Na.
Yes. Na.
Na.
Not na. It's nga, de, na.
Ngade na. Nang no pide. Ngade na Finland.
Good job.
Wow. Can you also say nang no pide, like where is your village?
Kashnong jongki.
Like the grandmother kahaposti.
Kashnong jongki.
Huh?
Kashnong jongki. Not
Kas.
together kashnong. It's what
Snong.
kampas kashnong.
Snong.
Yeah,
So
snong.
ka snong.
Snong. Yeah.
Kasnong
Jong.
chongpi.
P.
Chongpi. P is like you.
You, yeah.
P.
Yeah.
And me is
Nga.
nga. Okay, P. You. Kasno chongpi. Where are you from?
No.
Where is your village?
Where-
Mom. She's sleeping nicely.
Yes.
Nga P nong po.
No. Nga.
Nga.
P it's you.
You. Like a nasa.
Not
Ngansa.
nasa. Ngasa.
Ngasa. Sa.
There should be H. Sa.
Sa.
Yes.
H.
Yeah.
Ngasa.
Yeah. It's not SH. It's SA for airport
Ah,
and H for.
okay. Nga. Kasnong chompi. Kasnong chompi. Ngasa ha paham sim.
Good.
Kumta.
If you want to ask, what do you cook? Pishet jingta ayu.
Pishet cinta ayu. Pishet cinta ayu. Pishet cinta ayu. Dosniar.
Yeah.
Oh nih. Biang bamja.
Yes. Jingta.
Like tap, like tumtak.
Ta.
Tak. Cinta.
T-A-H. Ta.
Kasnon chompi. Ngasa ngapa sa paham sim. Pishet cinta ayu. Dosniang. Pamja.
Correct.
Good na.
Yes.
I'm getting there. Elena is awake. Now she slept. What? 20 minutes? Let's wait the princess on the video. And the princes are.
Helena.
Hello.
That side, that side.
Hello, Elena.
Tuken. Supaya tuken.
Rồi. One. Hai sẽ take cái ông nhiều hả?
Pasitake.
Rồi. Ông hello.
Pasitake.
Awake. Nektar yo nektar tu. Ya hap one ane pa. No. Father will be father, and you know he doesn't.
Why?
know
Why?
anything.
What's wrong?
You don't know how to dress up her hair. Hello. Hello.
Daddy has learned already a few words. Daddy has learned what? Kat no along. It's like how much? Okay. Then where are you from? Ngango pide.
Dena.
Ngango pide. Then I can answer. Ngangde da Finlanda.
Ngade nang tang Finland. Ngade na Finland.
Ngade na Finland. Then I can say Kachompi.
Kashnong.
Kasnong Chompi. Kasnong Chompi. Where is your village? Huh? Kasnong Chompi. Then I can say Ngashana Pahamsim.
Ngasa.
Ngasana
Ngasa. Hi. See you. That's why you write. Always you need to write nicely. Otherwise you.
Ngasha.
No.
Sa.
Ngasa.
Ngashna.
Not shna. Ngasa.
Ngasa na Pahamsim.
Alright.
Pishet Chikta. Pishet Chikta Ai. Why you are laughing for me? You are the
It's irritating me.
you are the teacher.
Yeah.
I'm the student.
That's why I don't want to be a teacher because I cannot hold it, you know.
Pishet Chikta.
Pishat jingta.
Pishet Chingta.
Jing.
Jing. Pishet Chingta Ai.
Ayu.
Pishet Chingta Ayu.
That's why I said
Pish-
you write nicely so you can pronounce nicely when
Pishet Chingta Ayu. Pikarteng Ayu.
Say nga
Nga
kerteng
karteng.
aki.
Nga karteng aki.
Selena nga kerteng I Elina. Okay. Oh, hati.
Nga
Nga
Nga.
kerteng I Elina.
Nga karteng
Kerteng aki.
aki.
If you are asking about the work, then you can ask.
Oh, what do you
Peter-
work?
Yeah, Pitre ayu.
Pitre Ayu.
Yeah,
Pi
Tre
Tre
ayu.
Pitre Ayu.
Yes. Ikay kot ya papa.
Ngade na Finland.
Oh, she's teaching you.
Oh, you teaching me.
Oh, hikay kot Elina. Yeah, daddy.
Oh,
Hikay ya daddy. Hindi ban bam ken.
yeah.
Hindi ban bam hasun tour. Hikay kinyong. Hikay te. Oh, kat no long. Kat no long.
Kat no long. What else?
Pisa ha eh. Leo.
Okay.
Oh,
Already
hikay.
teach. Right.
Ule kum tu.
Kumtu. Right.
Read like that, Elena. She's teaching you. She's showing you. Read like that.
Very talkative, ma.
Oh my gosh. That's not to eat, baby. Look at there in the camera. And oh.
I think we have done our studies today. Please. So thank you guys for watching this episode. We will see you in the next time.
Ipadu aki dang Tristram mo. Bakin nang daktin Khasi din na. Then Khasi kami usnab ha. Let it be out on say. So ipadu aki dang persang mo. Ban karang Khasi.
Hoy.
Suki mo.
Suki mo. And then is dekar. How you say also like slowly.
Kindiat.
Kindiat.
Idang nang. Idang persang. Yeah. Tahi.
Yeah, so we will see you in the next time.
Next
Somewhere else, where, when, what, I don't know, but only God knows. God bless you guys. Peace out. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. like and subscribe.
Thank you for 1 lakh subscribers.
Yeah, that's what.
Say thank you, El. Yes, love from AB family.
Okay. Thank you guys. Bye. 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 Bye.